Since 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic has brought everything to a standstill. Not just that, with the adage, cleanliness is next to godliness in mind, it's now the time to be the change, roll up our sleeves, and follow the guidelines for the healthcare establishments and common biomedical waste treatment facilities. COVID-19 waste comprises biomedical waste and solid waste. Biomedical waste falls under red and yellow category. Under the red category, you would come across gloves, PPEs, plastic covers, syringes, and medicines. Head covers, used masks, and non-semi-plastic material come under the yellow category. On the other hand, solid waste is categorized as food-related waste and general waste. Waste from the kitchen and waste from leftover food material is covered under the food-related waste, while general waste covers water bottles, packaging material, waste plastic, and more. Do's and don'ts for collecting and handling COVID-19 waste. Sift out and segregate waste and collect it in separate color-coded bins at the COVID-19 isolation boards. Use double-layered bags to collect the COVID-19 waste. Remember to label the bags as COVID-19 waste. Dedicated trolleys and bins affixed with a COVID-19 waste label should be used in COVID-19 isolation boards. General solid waste generated from quarantine centers or camps should be disposed of as per the Solid Waste Management Rules, 2016. Biomedical waste from quarantine centers or camps should be collected separately in yellow-colored bags and bins, and the same shall be handed over to authorized waste collectors engaged by local bodies. Post-collection of COVID-19 waste, remember to spray 1% sodium hypochlorite disinfectant around the inner and outer surfaces of the bins. Do not mix or store COVID-19 waste collectively with other general waste. Do not store COVID-19 waste for more than 48 hours. Masks and gloves used by persons other than COVID-19 patients should be cut and kept in paper bags for a minimum of 72 hours before disposing of them. Do not handle COVID-19 waste with bare hand. Use proper PPE kits.